Snowstorm March 2017. Let's see what's out there. Okay. There's lots of birds. They don't even care that I'm here. What's going on with the house here? It's so deep. Where's the compost bin? I don't know. Let's take a look at how the greenhouse is doing. I don't know if we'll be able to see it by the end of the day. Oh my gosh. Here it is. We'll get in there. It's kind of crazy inside there. We gotta make a... Oh, here it is. Here we are in the greenhouse, and we've got this item, the Snow Pusher 2000. Works like this. Hope we make it.